Hello and welcome to today's episode. Like every week, today I am going to reveal another one unique opportunity and you can achieve 4 completely free Microsoft Azure certifications. Yes, my friend, not 1, not 2, not 3, 4 free Azure cloud certifications and free training from Microsoft Specialized Trainer. This offer is region agnostic and available for all geography. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to get exciting cloud certification offers and different knowledge series video. In recent past, I have created some videos where I have shown how to get 50% AWS discount voucher for Solution Architect Associate certification or how to get a free practice test from AWS. If you haven't explored those offers but you are interested, then you are not late. Offers are still available and available end of this year. I'll give links in description section. Now coming back to today's topic, Microsoft is distributing free exam vouchers for Azure Fundamental. Exam code is AZ900. Azure Data Fundamentals. Exam code is DP900. Azure AI Fundamentals. Exam code is AI900. And Power Platform Fundamentals. Exam code is PL900. The most important point is getting this voucher is not difficult and voucher will be valid till June 30, 2022. Yes, my friend, vouchers will be valid till June 30, 2022. You can collect all the 4 vouchers and plan your certifications accordingly. Without any further delay, let's get started. Now let's quickly move to the browser and I'll type Microsoft Training Days in the search option. The first link, Microsoft Virtual Training Days, I'll open that link. It will give different available Microsoft trainings with an option to register. So if you see this one, this is for Microsoft Virtual Training Day Fundamental, which is AZ900. The top one, Microsoft Azure Virtual Training Day AI Fundamental. Exam code is AI900. There are different options you can see with on different dates. So if you come to this page, you will be able to see multiple training options available. Based on your availability, based on the date and time slot you prefer, select and register. I'll just highlight the top one is AI Fundamental. That means exam code is AI900. Second one is Fundamental. Exam code is AZ900. Then if I'll come little bit down, here I will see Data Fundamentals. Exam code is DP900. Now if I'll come at the middle of the screen, I can see Business Applications. Under Business Application, the second entry, if you see, Microsoft Power Platform Virtual Training Day Fundamental. So this is for PL900. Now let's go one by one and see how you can register and get a voucher to take this certification absolutely free of cost. The first one, AI Fundamental. Again, as I told, you can select any date and time slot as per your availability. So I'll select the top one just for demonstration. This is for AI Fundamental. Exam code is AI900. I'll open the registration link. You can see I got one form where I can enter my details to register myself for that training. You have to start with your first name, last name, email address, phone number, job title, company name, country or region from where you belongs to. As I told earlier, this is region agnostic, so you can take this opportunity from anywhere in the globe. And at the end, there is a CAPTCHA validation. You have to prove that you are not a robot. Once you click on the Register Now button, Microsoft will send you a confirmation email to the email ID you have registered in this field. Now if you see here, Microsoft is saying after completing this free training, you will be eligible to take the Microsoft Azure AI Fundamental certification at no cost. I would like to say you have one prerequisite that you should complete. Whatever the email ID you are providing at the time of registration, please create your Microsoft certification account with that email ID. After completing this training, you will be able to see the voucher or the free exam voucher in your certification account. As I told earlier, the voucher will be valid till June 30, 2022, and you can take that exam at any point of time. So this was about AI 900. Now let's see how we can register for AZ 900 or Microsoft Azure Fundamental. As you see, there are multiple entries for data fundamental. Here also on July 22, then you will find another one training slot is available on July 29. So you have to check which slot is available, as many people are taking this advantage. So you might see that some slots are totally booked. I would like to request you, please do not waste your time and register as early as possible. Now I'll select this time slot on August 5, 9 am Eastern Time Zone. If I'll click on the registration link, I'll get this form where I can enter my detail and I can register for the time slot, or I can register for this training. This training is for 2 days, August 5, 2021 and August 6, 2021 from 9 am to 11:15 EST, Eastern Time Zone. The process is same as before. You have to give your name, email address, company name, company size, job role, phone, country, and at the end you have to click on that CAPTCHA, and then you can click on the register now button. Once you complete the registration, Microsoft will send you one email confirmation to the email ID you have entered at the time of registration. Again, please remember, create your Microsoft certification account with the same email ID you are using for registration. After completing this free training, you will be eligible to take Microsoft Azure Fundamental Certification exam at no cost. So we saw the process for AI 900, we saw the process for AZ 900. Now let's see for other two. Next option is Data Fundamental. For my example, I am selecting August 12, 9 am PST or Pacific time. If I'll click on the register hyperlink, you can see I'll be prompted with a form to register. Again, please fill the form with your details and click on the register now. After completing this free training, you will be eligible to take Microsoft Azure Data Fundamental Certification at no cost. That means the exam code is DP900. In this case, the training is for August 12, 9 am to 12:30 pm PST, Pacific time zone. Please calculate the time as per your time zone. And the last training option under business application is Power Platform Fundamental. If I'll click on the registration hyperlink, I'll see the registration page. The process is again same. You have to enter your first name, last name, email ID, phone number, job role, company name, country and region. From that region drop down, and at the end you have to click on the CAPTCHA, then register now. Once you register for this particular training, Microsoft will send you one confirmation email to the email ID you have entered at the time of registration. After completing this free training, you will be eligible to take Microsoft Power Platform Fundamental Certification exam at no cost. In these 4 cases, you can see you are getting a free training and free certification voucher. Now, if I'll come back to the virtual training days page, in this training page, you can find different training options available from Microsoft. Although every training is not coming with a free voucher, but if you want to take part of any other trainings from Microsoft, you are free to register, although you will not get a free voucher. This was all about today's episode. At the end, I would like to thank you for your valuable time. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel to get unique and exciting opportunities on a regular basis. If you like my effort, please like this video and share with your friends. And last but not least, please don't forget to drop your feedback as comment to this video. Happy learning. Please stay safe and take care.